And remember, when it comes to dua, one thing very important is for you and I to make sure that we repeat that dua again and again. For indeed, repetition is what makes it more valuable in the eyes of Allah. Allah doesn't give you something sometimes because He loves the way you were when you were asking Him for the thing. And so He wants you to repeat it again and again. And He leaves you in that condition for a few years sometime. Don't say that Allah didn't hear me, He heard you. And don't say that Allah doesn't want to respond. He will respond. He has responded. He knows what's better for you. When you see the reward of the crying that you engaged in for 2 years while you were asking for something, you will tell Allah, why did you give me what I wanted? You should have just kept me in this condition. At least I was making tahajjud. A lot of people say, I'm making tahajjud because I've got a massive issue I want to ask Allah for. I haven't stopped tahajjud. Wasn't that a blessing? So prepare for the day and don't question Allah. Allah takes your loved ones away so your life can change. How many people's lives have changed because they lost their spouses or children or brothers or parents or relatives. So if your life does not change when people are being taken away from around you, who is at loss?